it into either face care or body care. Friends, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys should please comment down below if you like this lipstick, because I tried a lot of mixture to get this particular color. But first, I'm going to remove these clip-ons that I have in my wig. Instead of spending 19,550 naira on this skincare kit, today we are going to be talking about what 20,000 naira can help you to buy in your skincare kit in today's Nigerian economy, and if those products are going to be what effective, beautiful, give your skin a fair, soft, smooth, glazing donut kind of skin. Okay, that's what we are talking about in today's video. All right, so the first thing that I need to mention is fit into either face care or body care. In today's video, I'm going to split that 20,000 naira into two. Yes, and I'm going to show you how to prioritize your skincare products in terms of your budget. That is what today's video is essentially about. So the first thing under your face care routine that you need to get as a product for your skin is a face cleanser. Now, because you're working with a tight budget, if you just go up and go and buy a face cleanser, this new age cleansers of today, you would not, as in, you won't even have money to buy any other thing after. But because of that particular tight budget, the first face cleanser that I want to recommend for you if you are on a very tight budget is Dudu Osun. Now, this soap, I've reviewed it before and you guys actually loved it, but I'm going to tell you why I prefer Dudu Osun to any other cheap antibacterial soap out there. Now, the reason why you can't use an antibacterial soap is because it's just fortified with anything that gets rid of germs. Okay, it's not rich. Sometimes it disrupts the skin's moisture barrier. Sometimes it's too harsh for the skin. I know in particular, if I'm stranded on one corner of the world and I don't have any of my skincare products with me and I have to shop, I would buy a gentle baby soap, which brings me to the second option of a face cleanser that I would encourage you to get if you're on a tight budget. But first, let's dive a little bit deeper into why I'm recommending Dudu Osun as a major priority. First of all, it retails for 2,750. This is Konga Jumia price. Hello, just one tap. Now, the price point is convenient. Now, let's talk about the ingredient list, which include honey, camwood, shea butter, okay, vitamin E, and natural skin friendly black soap. Okay, so those are the key ingredients that are in Dudu Osun. Now, because it contains honey, that means it's going to moisturize the skin a little bit more than the regular bar soap that you would buy off the counter. If you ask me, even if your skin is acne prone, oily combination, Dudu Osun would be a preferable cleanser that I would advise you to get if you're on a student budget kind of money. In summary, Dudu Osun is good, but for acne prone skin and oily skin in particular. If your skin is normal combination dry, a gentle baby soap, which is the second option I always go for, will be the best bet for you. And I'll tell you why. It's because it's so gentle and so moisturizing, it will not be doing any work of mild exfoliation compared to the Dudu Osun. The second item on your face care routine that you'll be getting is the Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Serum. I know, I cannot believe I'm saying it, but it is true. And that's because it contains 3,0-ethyl ascorbic acid and then sodium hyaluronate as key ingredients. Now, these two powerhouse ingredients in Dr. Rashel makes it a core vitamin C serum that would help to brighten up your skin and boost collagen production. So if you're on a tight budget and you're wondering, I can't get all the high-end vitamin C serums Eniola keeps talking about, but you can get Dr. Rashel. The only con is that it does not have enough hyaluronic acid, so that means you might need to balance it out with a very good face moisturizer, face cream, or whatever you have in your house. Okay, so the third item you need to make sure you get if you're on a tight budget is a face moisturizer. Now, I hope you already see where I'm going to. If you're on a very tight student budget, you want to make sure that you accommodate only the essential things that your skin is going to require. There's no need to go and start buying 2 serums, 2 cleansers, toner, essence, because you cannot afford that. Okay, so you will go in with a cleanser, a serum, and a face moisturizer. Of course, you can piggyback of the Dr. Rashel Face Moisturizer, which looks like this. It contains the same ingredient list like before, except that now it also has moisturizing factors that will help your skin to be highly moisturized and pampered. Then, of course, after that comes the most important thing in your face care routine, and that is sunscreen. You are going to be splurging on your sunscreen because you have been trying to save with your cleanser, with your serum, and with your moisturizer. You need to splurge on your sunscreen, and that's because forget about the brightening, the collagen production, the gentle pampering that you want to achieve with all these products if you do not protect your skin from both UVA and UVB rays. Okay, so this becomes a very high priority for you if you want to make sure that, of course, you're on a budget, but you want to make sure that you have all the products that you need. The Skin Aqua, I think this is about 75 ml or 100 ml sunscreen in a gel-like consistency is going to be your best bet. I think it's about the most affordable option right there. It retails for 7,500 naira on 2411 Beauty on Instagram. Yeah, I tried to help you get a vendor this time. Okay, so you might as well go up on their website and shop for it. I've bought products from them before and they delivered on time. I am not in any way trying to sponsor them in this video, if you get what I'm saying. Okay, so that concludes everything that you'll be doing for your face care routine. Remember, you need to only gently cleanse your skin. Use an antioxidant serum that will get rid of free radicals or inflammation. Third, moisturize your skin, which is very, very important. And then lastly, use sunscreen. Remember to catch your earlobes, your neck, your chest area whenever you are doing your face care routine. Straight off into body care. You guys already saw this coming. Of course, my two favorite body soaps if I'm on a budget is either the Dove Moisturizing Cream, and they have the natural one, the Argan oil one. They have different variants that you can shop from, and it's about 700 naira per bar. Or the OLAY bar paint soap. I've used it about 2 times, and honestly, it's a very good pre-cleanse soap. It will gently moisturize your skin. It does not bleach or make the skin feel harsh or irritated. Since you cannot afford to get a body shower gel with this budget, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but if you go for a moisturizing body soap like these two options right here, your skin will not even be missing on a lot of things, to be honest, because even this morning I used the Dove moisturizing soap. Yes, that is how beautiful it is on the skin. Now, this brings me to the next thing on your body care list if you're on a student budget, and that is the Nivea Perfect and Radiant Even Tone Moisturizing Cream with berry extract and UVB and UVA filters. Now, this particular cream is the one I've been using currently. You guys remember when I had an allergic reaction to St. Ives, so I just completely closed the window on that for good. So I've been using the Nivea Perfect and Radiant Even Tone Moisturizing Cream, the faint vanilla kind of scent, and then it also moisturizes the skin. It penetrates into the skin easily, so you will not feel like there's a weight on your body when you use it. And of course, I just like that it maintains my natural complexion. Honestly, I would not be expecting something drastic with a product like 2,900 naira from Nivea. Something just basic. Expect that your skin is going to be moisturized, even toned and stuff, and leave it at that. And a little bit of protection from UVA and UVB rays. That's about it. Do not expect that it will brighten up your skin, give you this. No. You're just shooting yourself in the leg and you will be utterly disappointed. But if you want something that is budget friendly, that will even out your skin tone, that will make your skin soft, pampered and moisturized, the Nivea Perfect and Radiant is on a good budget and you can really afford it. The last item is African sponge. Sis, if you're using soap and you're not using sponge, because we can't afford to buy a natural, or should I say a cosmetically formulated body scrub with this budget. So for body care, you can either replace your body butter with a body scrub. I was a bit confused on whether to just tell you to buy a body butter outrightly, but because the season right now is towards summer and that's like heat and stuff, you might not really need a body butter because harmattan is gradually fading off. Of course, I would advise you to get a body scrub. This one from Veetgold is a very good option if you're looking for one. It's affordable, it's on a budget, It will really help your skin to get rid of dead skin cells, and of course reveals fresher, smoother, baby looking kind of skin. But if you ask me, I would choose a body butter because I'm just a sucker for using anything that just pampers and moisturizes my skin instead of using a product that would make me feel like I'm doing a lot of work. It's just a personal preference. So you have the option of either choosing a body butter or a body scrub in your body care routine if you're on a student budget. So we'll be going in with the African sponge that is naturally a little bit abrasive on the skin. So by the time you use your African sponge with the Dove moisturizing soap, of course your skin should feel gently exfoliated day in and day out. So that concludes about everything that will be on my list if I was on a 20,000 naira student budget kind of amount for my skincare list and kit. So let me take it again. The first item is what? Your face cleanser, and I give you two options. Of course, if you are using the Dudu Osun, you might have to consider using another kind of sunscreen because the budget can't really fit that. So Dudu Osun or Cussons baby soap as face cleanser, Dr. Rashel vitamin C serum as face serum, Dr. Rashel vitamin C face moisturizer as face moisturizer, Skin Aqua sunscreen as sunscreen. Then of course either the Dove moisturizing soap as body soap or OLAY bar pin soap as body soap. Then as body lotion you can use the Nivea Perfect and Radiant even tone moisturizing cream, and then lastly African sponge. So that brings everything to about 19,550 naira, and you can use the remaining change as transport fare back home. You are very welcome. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Of course, this is for all skin types. I try to make it as friendly as possible, but if you have special needs and concerns, let me know in the comment section, and I would see if I can attend to that too. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.